Sights and sounds is here for all the world to see. Sights and sounds is here displaying his story. So come and see how our roots run deep. And sights and sounds, our culture is rich in history. Sights and sounds is here for all the world to see. Sights and sounds is here displaying his story.
Okay, Miss Myrna Gale, founder and CEO of 3G Publishing. This publishing company, she works with children so they get to write their own books, they publish their own books, and she has book signings for them. She inspires and mentors children. She develops
Miss Myrna, this is entitled Yes You Can. You have a voice, you have a story, you have a passion. Express yourself. Write. Let your words create the possible out of the impossible. You have a dream, you have a talent, you have the ability to change the world. Express yourself. Write. Let your words create the possible out of the impossible. Can you do it? Yes, you can.
Grateful for the acknowledgement. Thank you. And I want to continue to make a difference because that's my purpose. That's what I want to do. So thank you. Thank you.
Sights and Sounds Museum. I would like to present Ms. Myrna Gale, a very distinguished person in our community that we love dearly, and we know that all